From life-saving tools to next-level survival gear, today we're diving into the top 15 survival gadgets you can actually rely on when things go off-grid. Whether it's fire-starting kits, tactical knives, powerful flashlights, or emergency water purifiers, every item in this list is built to keep you prepared, protected, and one step ahead in the wild. If you love survival, camping, or just crazy useful gear, this is one video you don't want to miss. Let's jump straight into it. Weyland Survival Kit. The Weyland Survival Kit is the kind of all-in-one gear setup that instantly boosts your confidence in the wild. At the center of it all is a tough, full-tang fixed blade knife, complete with a gut hook and serrated edge, making it ready for everything from cutting rope to handling more demanding survival tasks. Fire won't be a problem either, thanks to the included ferro rod, striker, and multiple tinder options that help you get flames going even in rough conditions. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a paracord bracelet, a compact wire saw, and a signal mirror with a built-in whistle for emergencies. A multi-tool card adds extra functionality, while the stainless steel compass and bright LED tactical flashlight help you stay on track and prepared when things get dark. Everything comes neatly packed inside a rugged, water-resistant case, making this kit a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. The Crosman SNR357 brings a surprisingly realistic revolver feel into the world of airguns, making it a solid pick for both practice and backyard fun. Its full metal snub nose design gives it a sturdy, authentic weight in hand, closely mimicking a classic revolver. Powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge, it delivers strong performance, reaching up to 400 FPS with BBS and around 500 FPS with .177 caliber pellets, giving you flexibility depending on your shooting style. What really adds to the experience is the use of 6 reusable cartridges, enhancing that real revolver vibe while keeping things convenient. Safety is covered with a simple slide safety, and accuracy gets a boost from the fixed front sight and adjustable rear sight. Whether you're sharpening your aim or just having fun, the SNR357 offers a great mix of realism, performance, and value at around $100. The Aqua Pure portable electrolytic water purification system is a game changer when it comes to staying safe in the wild or during emergencies. Designed for convenience, it comes as a complete kit with a brine bottle, USB power adapter, and a compact travel bag, so you're ready to go right out of the box. What makes it stand out is its ability to turn even questionable water into something safe to drink by neutralizing harmful threats like viruses, bacteria, giardia, and cryptosporidium. Whether you're camping, hiking, or traveling to remote areas, this device has your back. On a single charge, it can purify up to 150 liters of water, making it both powerful and efficient. Carnivore X. The Carnivore X is a powerhouse multi-purpose tool built for serious outdoor use. At its core is a rugged 12-inch blade, treated with titanium bonding, making it incredibly tough with long-lasting sharpness, up to 3 times harder than standard steel. This means it's ready for anything, from cutting and sawing to digging and even gutting when needed. What really boosts its versatility is the included removable trimming knife, perfect for more precise tasks and neatly stored in its own sheath. Everything is secured in a durable ballistic nylon sheath, making it easy to carry while keeping the blades protected on the move. The Gerber Gear Keynote is a small but incredibly handy tool designed for everyday carry. Built with a compact 1-inch plain edge blade, it handles quick cutting and scraping tasks with ease, whether you're opening packages or dealing with small outdoor jobs. The liner lock keeps things secure during use, while the nail nick makes opening it simple and smooth. Despite its size, it's made to last. The aluminum scales give it a tough, durable feel that stands up to daily wear without adding bulk. Weighing just under an ounce, it's so lightweight you'll barely notice it, whether it's clipped to your pocket or attached to your keychain. Perfect for campers, fishermen, tradesmen, or anyone who likes to stay prepared, the Keynote blends practicality with portability, making it a reliable little tool you'll find yourself using more often than expected. The Dango Slim Minimalist wallet is where modern design meets everyday practicality. Built for those who hate bulky pockets, it offers a sleek profile while still holding up to 12 cards, thanks to its smart silicone strap and integrated rail system that keeps everything secure and easy to access. Durability is a big win here. Made from water-resistant Detex material paired with aerospace-grade aluminum, this wallet is tough enough for daily use without adding extra weight. It's designed to handle whatever your day throws at it while still looking clean and stylish. Security is also covered with built-in RFID blocking, protecting your cards from electronic theft. But what really sets it apart is the included MT02 multi-tool, packing 10 useful functions like a knife, saw, and even a smartphone stand. Compact, functional, and versatile, this wallet is perfect for anyone who wants more from their everyday carry. The M48 Cyclone boot knife is a compact yet aggressive tool that instantly grabs attention with its bold design. It features a 5.34-inch cast stainless steel blade shaped into a unique spiral with 3 edges, giving it incredible piercing power and a seriously sharp tip. This isn't just for looks. The twisted design actually enhances performance, making it highly effective for tough situations. The handle is built from glass fiber reinforced nylon, offering a solid, non-slip grip even in demanding conditions. At the base, a stainless steel skull crusher pommel adds an extra layer of utility when needed. For carry, it comes with a durable Vortec belt sheath that keeps the knife secure while allowing quick and discreet access. Whether you're into tactical gear or unique blades, the Cyclone stands out as a striking and reliable piece that blends intimidating style with real-world functionality. The SOG Baton Q2 is a sleek, compact multi-tool that blends everyday practicality with a clean, modern design. Built for convenience, it packs 4 essential functions into one slim body: a pocket knife, slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, and a bright 70-lumen LED flashlight. It's the kind of tool that quietly proves useful in more situations than you'd expect. The flashlight is protected with a water-resistant O-ring, making it reliable for outdoor use and unexpected conditions. Crafted from anodized aluminum, the body feels solid, yet stays lightweight at just about 3 ounces, with a slim 6.3-inch profile that easily fits in a pocket, bag, or even a purse. Whether you're navigating city life or building a survival kit, the Baton Q2 delivers practical versatility in a minimal form. Backed by SOG's repair and replacement support, it's built not just for use, but for long-term reliability. The Military Compass is a reliable navigation tool built for outdoor use where precision really matters. Designed with a tough metal body and protective cover, it's both waterproof and shockproof, making it a solid companion for camping, hiking, boating, or survival situations. Inside, the liquid-filled floating dial ensures stable and accurate readings, marked with a full 360-degree scale for easy direction tracking. A built-in level bubble helps improve accuracy, while the optical eyepiece makes it easier to take precise bearings when navigating unfamiliar terrain. The fluorescent north arrow also improves visibility in low-light conditions, so you can still read directions when it gets dark. For added practicality, the back includes a conversion chart for angles and distances, along with a rotating bezel ring to lock your bearing in place. Affordable yet highly functional, this compass delivers dependable navigation whenever you need it most. The SurviveWare 98-piece first aid kit is built for moments when quick response really matters. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, it packs 98 essential medical supplies, from bandages and dressings to a removable CPR pouch, so you're prepared for a wide range of emergencies. Everything is neatly organized in clearly labeled compartments, making it fast and stress-free to find what you need when every second counts. The kit is made from tough 600D polyester, giving it strong water-resistant and rip-resistant protection to keep the contents safe even in rough environments. Portability is another highlight, with molar-compatible straps and D-rings that let you attach it easily to backpacks, cars, trucks, or boats. The M48 Tomahawk Axe is a powerful and versatile outdoor tool built for demanding tasks in the field. With an overall length of 15 inches, it offers extended reach and strong control, making it useful for camping, hiking, and survival situations. The 3.78-inch precision-cast stainless steel blade delivers reliable cutting performance, whether you're chopping, slicing, or handling rough outdoor work. Its axe head is reinforced with a 3-bolt system, adding extra strength and stability for heavy-duty use. The handle is made from nylon-reinforced fiberglass, giving you a lightweight yet durable grip that stays secure even during intense handling. For safe transport, it comes with a rugged nylon sheath that keeps the blade protected and easy to carry. Strong, compact, and dependable, the M48 Tomahawk Axe is designed to perform when outdoor conditions get tough. SALT Self-Defense Kit. The SALT Self-Defense Kit is a compact personal safety system built for controlled protection in critical situations. It includes a pepper spray launcher, 10 live rounds, and 10 practice rounds for safe training and real-world readiness. Its biggest advantage is extended range, over 150 feet, far beyond traditional pepper sprays that work within 6 to 10 feet, allowing response from a safer distance. The military-grade formulation has been tested by security agencies for consistent performance. A 5-year shelf life ensures long-term reliability. It is designed for simple, controlled use without loud discharge or heavy recoil, making it more discreet and manageable in emergencies. Overall, it focuses on range, reliability, and practical preparedness. The Pepperball TCP Personal Defense Launcher is designed to give you distance and control in high-stress situations. It fires specialized projectiles that can reach up to 150 feet with VXR rounds, or around 60 feet with standard Pepperball rounds, creating a safe buffer between you and a potential threat. What makes it especially effective is that direct impact isn't always required. The pepper-filled projectiles can still create a strong deterrent effect on impact or burst, helping you disengage and escape quickly. The launcher is built for simple, intuitive use, making it suitable even in panic situations where fast response matters most. It's designed as a non-lethal personal defense option focused on distance, control, and situational awareness. The Bow Drill Kit Firestarter is a great introduction to traditional fire-making skills using primitive techniques. Designed for beginners and survival learners, it comes pre-assembled so you can start practicing right away without any setup hassle. It features a durable bamboo bow and handle for a comfortable grip, paired with a Polonia wood fireboard designed with multiple holes for consistent use and better friction control. The kit also includes jute tinder, helping you catch your first spark more easily while learning the process. At an affordable price, it's more than just a tool. It's a hands-on training kit that builds patience, focus, and real survival knowledge.